How to turn on automatic captions on Instagram. Hi everyone, it is GuideHacks, and in this video I will show you how to turn on automatic captions on Instagram. Now let's get started. First we need to open our Instagram app. Then we should go to our profile just by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom. Here we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner. Now just tap on the settings at the top. Here we should click on Account. Then we need to find option Captions and press on it. In Appear menu we should switch on option Captions. And after that you can manage captions on any videos. For example, we can go back and go to any one profile and go to Reels and open one. And here we see captions that we turn it on right now. And that's all. It was how to turn on automatic captions on Instagram. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we would appreciate if you subscribe to our GuideHacks channel.